Contraband. 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 Now you say it. Contraband. Again, contraband. One more time. Contraband. Contraband means goods that are brought illegally from one place to another. Customs officers often check passengers' bags for contraband. Contraband. Contract. Contract. Now you say it, contract. Yes, say it again. Contract. Contract. A contract is a legal agreement between people or companies stating the terms by which one will work for the other or sell to the other. The attorney drew up a contract for the businessmen. Contract. If you say the word contract, contract, that means to become smaller. As fruit dries, it often contracts. Contract. Contract also means to acquire a disease. He contracted the flu. Contract. Contradict. 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 You say it, contradict. Yes, try it again. Contradict. Please repeat. Contradict. That's a long word. Well done. Contradict means to say the opposite of what's been said. In his argument, the debater contradicted his opponent. Mothers do not like it when their children contradict them. Contradict. Contribute. 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 Now you say it. Contribute. Yes, say it again. Contribute. That's correct. Please repeat. Contribute. Well done. Contribute has two meanings. Contribute means to give help or money to a person or organization. Jane contributes regularly to her church. Contribute also means to write for a magazine or a newspaper. Frank contributes a weekly column to the local newspaper. Contribute. Contrive. 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 Now you say it. Contrive. Yes, say it again. Contrive. That's correct. One more time. Contrive. That's correct. Contrive has two meanings. Contrive means to form an intelligent plan or to scheme. The criminals contrived to kidnap the little boy. Contrive also means to make something up. Sally contrived a story to explain why she was late. Contrive. Control. 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 Now, you try it. Control. Say it again. Control. That's right. Control. Control has two meanings. Control means to make something or someone do what you want. The bully wanted to control the boy on the playground. Control also means levers and switches that make a machine work. The pilot used the controls to land the plane safely. Control. Convene. 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 You try it. Convene. Try it again. Convene. One more time. Convene. Well done. Convene means to gather together. The meeting convened at 8 o'clock. Convene. Convenience. 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 You say it. Convenience. Yes. Let's try it again. convenience. One more time, convenience. That's correct. Convenience means something that is useful and easy to use. This frozen food is a convenience when I cook. Convenience. Convention. 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 You say it. Convention. Yes. Try it again. Convention. That's correct. One more time. Convention. Well done. Convention has two meanings. A convention is a gathering of people who have the same interests, such as a political meeting where party candidates are chosen. The convention was held in a large hotel. A convention is also a custom or accepted way to behave. Removing your hat is the convention before you enter a church. Convention. Conversation. 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 You say it. Conversation. Yes, say it again. Conversation. Please repeat. Conversation. Yes, conversation. A conversation is a talk that you have with another person. Betty and Mary enjoyed their conversation about places they would like to visit. Conversation.